public spaces as catalysts of our process. I think this is our very core. If you want to describe this as a sort of strategy, general strategy for the office is to look at the convex space. So the space which is in between and not necessarily the single objects of the buildings. And I think City Life is very much about this.
La piazza City Life è il centro, il cuore
The
pulsante,
City Life
diciamo,
Square is the focal point, the beating heart of this new business district concentrated in the three towers by Zaha Hadid, Isozaki, and Libeskind. The original idea was to have a small central forum linking the two levels making up the City Life Square. Instead, we decided to broaden out this central area and connect the two squares, the institutional square and the below-level area, onto which all the retail outlets at the foot of the business towers open out.
The first thing we did was to take away GLA, or surface making money, producing rent. So we suggested to actually have less square meters than what was the original plan. And then we decided that some of the materials we were using, with even some of the design decisions, were based on a very civic idea of architecture. So we used cobblestones, which is standard way of building public spaces in this country. The way the lighting is layered and organized is actually the same system that Milan uses in every other street. So we try to bring into City Life, which is very much related to a very contemporary idea of architecture, some of the civic values which are strongly related to both spaces. Public spaces are for everyone. Buildings tend to be for a specific group of people and done for specific purposes, whereas public space is just open to anything.
My name is Giulio De Carli. I'm one of the two founders of One Works.
My name is Leonardo Cavalli.
And this is the Architect Series.